Jamaica May Samar, S2. Cadet Major Alay Zainem McKellen Bass, Corps S3. Cadet Captain John Gilbert Abak, Corps S4. Cadet Captain Rance Yulo Floriano, Corps S5. Majorette Leader Cadet Captain Precious Anne Marie Cuabillas, DBC Band Leader Cadet Captain Mark Lawrence Toribio. Company Commander Cadet Captain Ruel Chavez. Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Jan Lloyd Chris Banyares. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Gabriel Cubarubias. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Mary France De La Rosa. School Head Aristeo Olivan. Principal Madeline Valesa. CAT Facilitator Commandant Edgardo A. Priela. Majorette Trainer Cynthia Elevado. DBC DLC Band Trainer Coordinator Juan Acapita. Assistant CAT Facilitator Junel Romero. Entry number 8 Lyceo de Pasacao Inc, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 8, Lyceo de Pasacao Incorporated, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.